What's happening, friends? Don back here again with Trotec Laser. Today we wanted to feature everything you can do with our anodized aluminum. So first let's look at our decorative plaque. We placed our satin black anodized aluminum into our laser machine. We've chosen an extremely high resolution photo for this application in order to show off the level of detail that's possible with our anodized aluminum. In order to achieve this effect, it required that we edited our image in some graphic software. If you'd like to learn more about how to edit images in your graphic software for laser processing, there'll be some tutorials linked in the description box below. Anodized or color anodized aluminum is uniquely suitable for engraving with a CO2 laser, fiber laser, and with mechanical engraving devices. By removing its colored protective coating, a white engraving image is created, high in contrast and capable of near photographic quality. It comes in either a matte or gloss finish, and a thickness of 0.02 inches, 0.025 inches, 0.04 inches, or 0.125 inches. Its sheet size is 24 by 12 inches. As you can see, the quality of the engraving is exceptional. Anodized aluminum is ideal for applications requiring very high detail. Now let's look at an industrial application. We place our satin red anodized aluminum into our Trotec laser machine and process it using our CO2 laser. Anodized aluminum can be a great choice for interior signage, type plates, serial numbers, barcodes, and signs requiring high advertising impact. And thank you so much for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe and stay tuned for more videos in the future.